Let's see how to remix an Instagram reel. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Now head over to the Reels tab and choose the reel you just want to remix. So once the reel opens, tap on the three-dot menu and select Remix. After tapping it, an editing screen will appear with multiple remix options. By default, Instagram may select a layout that looks a bit glitchy, but if that happens, just tap on Layout and choose the one you just prefer. I'm selecting this layout, then tap Capture to start recording your part. But if you want to add a video or clip from your gallery, you can do that from here as well. So once your capture looks good, tap Next. And now you can edit the remix however you like. You can add text, stickers, location, effects, or even your own music. After everything looks good, you can also have the option to save the remix to your camera roll. So finally tap Next and review your post and share it on your Instagram. And that's it. This is how you can remix an Instagram reel step by step. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.